Hello, my name is Sergio with Metro Design, and screencast I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business, Selah Flooring. Now, Joe is the owner of the agency, but I'll be guiding you how we work together to grow your clientele. And if you'd like to give any feedback after listening to the information I will be providing, I will gladly receive it with open arms. I'll be thankful in advance. Now, the first question with business owners is usually on lines of why I should do this. Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running the business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. So sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I found that giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact the business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you and can you please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. The first thing I'd like to go over is your content. So for your business to be fully optimized for Google, or any business, and that means your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words to be filled with keywords. And I found your site only has about 179. So in comparison to one of your competitors, Flooring Services of Florida, they have about 120, which you are beating, of course, but they have content filled with keyword research. And this is still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. So every month people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, but you miss out on not being number one. So I'm going to pull up this tool called Ahrefs and show you what you are ranking for. And it doesn't seem you are ranking for much. So this might be a brand new site, which is totally fine. Everything is doable in due time, of course. So I'm pull up a competitor, Flooring Services, and this guy's ranking on the first page of Google. So this having 5 organic keywords is not much at all. And his positions are not that good either. So beating this guy will be a breeze. So what I really want to go over though is what these mean. Keyword, volume, KD, traffic, position. Now cost per click goes into advertising with Google. So we're not going to talk about that right now. That'll be another time. So keyword. Keywords go into content. So every month, this keyword is being searched about 40 times. And it's only one ranked KD. So KD is on a scale of 0 to 100. So being a 1 is really easy to rank. Therefore, it's probably his highest position keyword. Now, say he's in the first position. He'd probably get about 15 people per month coming to his site. Therefore, since he's in the 33rd position, he's only getting like 1% of this traffic coming to his site, which is nothing at all. So being in the first position will do wonders for traffic come to your site. That means more engagement. That means also more closed deals. So this is why this is a major important factor in getting your content up with keywords. So now you know what this means and what it means to be in content. I'm going to go on to the next optimization section, which is the second most important thing I'd like to talk about. We call this Google Map Pack or Maps. So doing a search for Florida Flooring Services, you can see I have this map pack right here. And throughout this Florida Flooring Services search, you see all these businesses. And every business has a citation. So business name, an address, and a phone number, aka NAPS. So NAPS is a citation. So you're probably asking, hey, how do I make maps? Well, to answer your question, I go over to this little resource like to called Whitespark. And inside the resource, Whitespark, there's a tool called Local Citation Finder. And what this tool does is shows every citation that this business is listed for. And that's right here. Now it says there's 26, but these are only credible that Google will list. So since these are credible sources, your goal is to go after each and every one of these and more. You want at least double, triple amount of citations that your competitor has or any competitors in the local area. Therefore, since you have 26, you want at least 50 to 100. So these citations, aka NAPs, name, address, and phone numbers, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. So now you should know what the SEO factor of citations do for your Google rankings right here. We can go on to the third thing I like to talk about. This is an important aspect of Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority, link juice. So doing a search for Florida Flooring Services, I go to its organic listings, which is right below the map pack. you can see flooring services in Florida, and this guy right here. And anyone else that's a competitor will be on this first page. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative size linking back to you. So for example, if we were to have flooring services of Florida linking back to you, it would be a lot more effective than a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. So I'm going to go back to Ahrefs, and if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month, and it's great to check out any link juice or backlinks or organic keywords that any site may have to offer. And since you don't have any backlinks, I'm going to be going over your competitors. So DRUR, these are your scores for each site that you will be getting links from. So these rank from 0 to 100. Of course, the higher ones being the better ones, meaning more relevant sites pointing you guys. I wouldn't go after these 4 DRs because I don't really want to do anything. So you can take every single one of these and make them your own. So the 3 things I talked about today. Content, you want 1,500 words on your home page or your landing page. Any service page you may want to offer. So like vinyl, laminate, hardwood floor, or MJF floor, or any of these down here. These can all be service pages. So each of these you want at least 500 words filled with keyword research. And any contact page or about page, you want at least 250, and that will get you fully optimized to Google and land you in front of anyone that doesn't have the amount of content you do. And second off, I talked about was your citations. So you want at least double, triple amount of your citations that any local competitor would have in the area. So at least 100 to 200 of these will beat anyone out by a landslide, and you'll be safe for a little while until you want to get some more. And lastly, your link juice. Need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. Well, I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 515-468-3039. Once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one.